One of the fastest and easiest ways to grow an audience, whether it be email subscribers, followers on social media, etc., is by doing giveaways. And we are speaking from experience here. We at W Beginner have done giveaways which have had over 20,000 participants in a single giveaway. So imagine the amount of impressions, the brand awareness that grew just because of one single giveaway. That strategy is very powerful. But conducting giveaways is a challenge because you have to figure out a lot of different software and techniques. But in today's video, I'm going to simplify all the process for you. I'm going to show you a tool that integrates directly in WordPress, is built for WordPress for just doing giveaways. It'll make your life easier if you want to plan a giveaway on your website. So let me show you that tool, and it's called RafflePress. It's the best WordPress giveaway plugin ever. And the best part is it has a free version as well. So if you just want to get started, you want to dip your toes in the water and figure out if giveaway is a strategy that works for you, then you can get using or start using the free version of RafflePress. And if you like it, you think the strategy is great, then you can upgrade to one of the pro versions or premium plans of RafflePress and then get even more features. In this demonstration, I'm going to be showing you a very basic giveaway, and I have the premium version already. So most of the things I'm going to show you are already or will be available in the free version as well. So you can follow along if you want by downloading the free version of the plugin. Now I'm already connected. I already have the plugin premium file plugin downloaded. So I'll just go ahead and head to my website here, and I'm going to just download and install, or not download, just install the premium plugin and activate it using the license key. So I'm just going to go here inside the plugin section, and I'm going to go to add new plugin. And inside here, I'll just wait for the menu to load. I'll just go to upload plugin here. And I already have the plugin files on my computer on another monitor, which you can't see. So what I'm going to do is just drag the file here and let it go here and just click install now. So the plugin is now installed. Let's activate it. All right, the plugin is now installed. Since I'm using the pro version, I have to use the license key to activate the plugin. So I'll just paste my license key here and I'll click verify key. And it's done. So now I have giveaways or the giveaway plugin installed on my site. So let me show you a few different options or a few different powerful features that you can utilize by using RafflePress. So first, inside the settings, let me show you around the settings, because these can be very useful and powerful for you to conduct giveaways and do configurations. So inside the settings option, one thing that I wanted to highlight before I get started with showing you off or showing off the features of RafflePress is the integrations with different email providers. So if you're using an email service provider and you want to connect that email service provider directly with RafflePress by collecting emails, there are a lot of different options here. Almost every popular email service provider is connected. So you can just use the one-click integration and you can use the same email service provider with RafflePress as well. Now, going into the actual section where we create the giveaways by going into the add a new button here. So here we'll be able to create new giveaways basically. And you can do a lot of different things to get started with giveaways. You have some pre-built playbooks here or templates here that RafflePress provides to you. So you have grow your email list, you have a refer a friend giveaway, pre-launch campaign, grow your YouTube channel, grow your TikTok channel, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So based on what your goals are, you can select any of these playbooks and just get started quickly. But I'm going to just start with the basic classic giveaway. Now, the benefit of this is that you don't have to figure out, hey, what does the giveaway look like? If you hover over any of them, for example, let's say if I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, I'll hover over it and I'll see, hey, what's the actual giveaway look like? So I'll click the button demo here, and a new tab, the demonstration of that particular giveaway will open. So let it load, and now you can see that the giveaway is about winning a copy of Monster Insights, which is a Google Analytics plugin. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. This is the number of entries. I can see it here. So this is the one way, or this is one way you can figure out what kind of campaigns or what kind of giveaways or what kind of giveaway or what giveaway will look like when you configure this type of campaigns. So if I go here once again, when the pre-launch campaign, I can see it here as well. And this way we can just make a, I'd say, educated guess around which kind of giveaway will work best for our channel. So this is how it's going to look like. So let's get back to our site, and I'm just going to use the classic giveaway. And what I'm going to do is give it a title first. So I'm just going to call it a MacBook giveaway. Let's say I'm giving away a MacBook giveaway. So let's pretend that we are giving away a MacBook for this particular giveaway. And I'm going to just go to the classic giveaway and click use this template. And this will bring us to the campaign builder or the giveaway builder. And it's the easiest thing in the world to use. We just have a few different options here. We have the template selected already. So 3-step process. We use the template, we do the setup, and we publish. And then we have a few different options here to configure how the giveaway looks like, what do we give away, all the different options. So the first thing that we'll configure here is what are we giving away. So I'll just call it MacBook, or I say win the brand new MacBook. Let's say we do this. So we can add this as a prize, and I'll just click here and just add a description, say enter. So I've written down a title or name of the prize, also the description, and then we also can change the HTML around if you want to bold certain words or you want to do something that this basic editor doesn't provide. And then you also have an image preview. So what I'll do is just select the image here, which will open up the WordPress gallery, and I have an image downloaded already. I'll just drag and drop it here, and this image will be utilized for the giveaway. So I'll just choose this image, and we've done editing this. So now we're already seeing how easy it is to set up a campaign. Win the brand new MacBook, enter this giveaway, and you have a picture of the MacBook here as well. So it's already done. The basic or what we want to add here is done already. Let's choose a start and end date. So this is where you can schedule the giveaway, and it's easiest because if you have multiple giveaways, you don't have to manually start them and end them. So let's say, for example, I'll set this to the default date, which is 2 days from the recording of this video, and I'll select the time, which is the default time. So I'll just select 12 a.m. and the giveaway ends on 12 a.m. as well, which is a few days after the campaign, or let's start on 2 weeks of time. And the time zone is something you can configure as well. By default, the RafflePress will use the time zone of your server. But if you want to change this and customize this, you can always change it around by choosing the right time zone. So let's say I'll find it. My time zone is GMT plus 5:30 Asia. So I'll look for Delhi here. Let's try to find it. Delhi, I can't find it. Dhaka. Let me just give it a second. Kolkata. Okay, here it is. So this is my time zone. So you can configure or fine tune this kind of an experience as well, where you understand, hey, which is the time zone that people will use. So this is the basic details and when the campaign or when the giveaway will start and end. Let's configure some of the other things that we'll request users to do, which has the virality effect built in. So for that, we'll go to the actions menu here. And inside the actions menu, we have 3 different tabs basically. So if I go here, here, and here, now you can see 3 different options here. So we can get more subscribers, we can get more social engagement, or get more traffic. So depending on what your goals are, RafflePress has already categorized the kind of actions you can apply. And the default actions, you can see it here. Visit us on Facebook, that means traffic. Follow us on Twitter, which is a following tactic, and visit us on Instagram. These are added by default, but what you can do is just choose any of these. So visit us on Facebook is already here. What you can also do is like our page. So I'll just click on it, and the like on our page is already added, right? So what we can do is we'll just drag this around and change it up, and we'll say like our page. And what you can also do is the way the giveaways work is that every action that user takes increases the probability that they'll become the winner. And the point system is mentioned here. So for every action, you can have the default points of +1, or you can say make some things more important. For example, somebody subscribes to your email list, I think it's a lot more valuable. So you can have a point system where it says, when you subscribe to our email, it's 0.3, 0.5, or n number of points. And you can also make certain actions mandatory. So you can make this mandatory. And of course, you'll also need to add the URL of your Facebook page so that users can actually sign up, or basically just configure that, or actually just go and like that page. So I have the page link of WP Beginner here. I'll just add this here, just showing you how simple it is to configure the giveaway, even with complex actions like follows and everything else. So we've done this, basically configured one of these actions, but there are plenty of options to choose from. So you have follow us on Twitter, which you already see here. Join email newsletter. As I said, it's very important. So I'll click here and I'll go drag it around. Let's say this is the most important action we want to take. And then we can give this a rating of +5. And then you can also say trigger on sign up. That means whenever people sign up to the giveaway, they automatically are signed up to our email list as well. Make sure that's clarified, that you are signing up people to your email list. You can also make it mandatory. You also have double opt-in. I'll show you how it works. RafflePress does support double opt-in, so people actually don't enter dummy emails. And you can also choose the integration right here, which kind of email service provider you're using, as I already mentioned. So all that is built in here. Then we can do here, we'll go on actions, And we also have more social engagement. So we can have a refer a friend. So people can refer other people, watch a video. So if you have a promotional video, view TikTok posts, view videos and posting. So if you want to get more views on social media channels or videos or content, you can use any of these options. And if you want to get more traffic to your website, then you can have a lot of different variety of actions here. So write a blog post, leave a comment, subscribe to your feed, visit a page, share on LinkedIn. So you can get people to share your content on their social media platforms so that it brings a more viral effect and more people can find it. And you can also have interactive elements like submit an image. So if you're doing a, let's say, a brand related thing that, hey, the most creative picture wins, then you use that. You can help people answer questions. So you can say, hey, what do you like about brand? Something like that. The idea that I'm trying to explain here is that there are tons and tons of different options that you can use to configure. And I would suggest that don't go overboard and asking people to do a lot of things. Somewhere between 5 and 10 actions is more than enough, because if there are a lot of things, some people have a lot of free time on their hands, they might do all the things. Some people might be discouraged. So find the right balance instead of adding everything here. But the idea I'm trying to demonstrate is that a lot of different variety of options, depending on your goals with the giveaway, are present here. So once we configure this, now we can head to the design options. And inside the design options, of course, you understand what it is. We make cosmetic changes to the giveaway. And there are some things that you can do directly, and some things are already only supported if you host a dedicated giveaway page. And they'll be laid out here as well. So if you click the header, now you have the layout changing. So the first layout, the current layout is the header, then the text, then the image, and then you can change that as well. Change the font. Change the button color. So for example, you have a brand color. For example, I'll go here and choose this bright purple. Now you have this sign up button changed to purple. And then you have the page background. So you can see here, it's only applicable to standalone pages. So if you embed this giveaway in a regular blog post on your WordPress website, this feature will not work. And similarly, you can choose a background image as well. If you're a developer, you have understanding of CSS, you can write some custom CSS as well. So plenty of options to choose around to change the things with this giveaway as well. And once this is done, let's head to the settings, which is important to understand because this is where a lot of important things have to be done. So the first option is the general option. And inside the general, we'll configure the same things. You can create a permalink page here. You can change the name, hide number of total entries and show winners. And then some basically security options to make sure people don't game the system when it comes to giveaways. So you can look at these options. So there are a lot of security options to prevent users from having a lot of entries and trying to just game the system to win. In the giveaway rules, this is very important. You have to have clear giveaway rules, which is basically required by law as well. So make sure that you have a clear defined rule set of how the giveaway is working. And the best part is that RafflePress has a giveaway, or I say a rule book system, where you can just click this generate rules button. And if you click on this, you can ask some of the options here or fill in these options. So what's the sponsor name? Let's say I'll just fill it up. I'll just call it W Beginner. Oops, typography error. And I'll just do this. So let me quickly fill this up and I'll show you how this works. So I'll just quickly speed up through the process. So I filled up some dummy information in the rules generator, and I'll click generate rules. And based on this, RafflePress will create a nicely worded document about the legalities of the giveaway. Now, this is not a legal advice, or this is not legally compliant, basically, or at least I would say that you should definitely check with a lawyer, depending on how complex your giveaway is. But this is a good starting point instead of having to start from scratch. And this is a good feature that is already present inside RafflePress. So this is also here. We'll also save our giveaway right now. Then we have automations as well. Now, this is not a feature that's built in, but you can use the plugin called Uncanny Automator, which has a free version as well, to install this plugin. And then you'll be able to use some giveaways, or I say not giveaways, you'll be able to use automations to trigger actions in the backend. And one of the examples you can see here is that if someone registers for this giveaway, then you can have WooCommerce generate a coupon code and then send them an email, and also publish a post to the Facebook group. So this opens up a world of possibilities to do anything with giveaways. So make sure to check out Uncanny Automator as well. I'll leave the link in the description and also on the screen. And you can also click this button and one-click install the Uncanny Automator plugin on your site. Then coming to email verification, this is where I said that you can have double opt-in confirmation set up. So if you enable this, then double opt-in will be enabled. So whenever somebody registers, then they'll get an email and they'll have to click a link in that email to verify their email address. Next, we also have success tracking. So basically you can have any kind of Google Analytics tricks, tracking tricks, or not tricks, tracking scripts, and also pixels load up on certain pages. So once you redirect people to a certain page, let's say a thank you page, success page, you can have events set up with Google Analytics or pixel set up with, let's say, Facebook Pixel, Meta Pixel to track how your campaigns are performing. Then the redirect option is here. So if you want people to be redirected to a certain page after they've submitted an entry, then you can use this button, just add a URL, and then on that page, you can have all the pixels set up as well. You also have social login options. So if you want to allow people to register through Facebook directly or log in through Facebook, you'll have to enable this option. You'll need a Facebook app ID. So make sure to add the ID here. And you also have some compliance and some other rules. So if you want to have GDPR consent, enable this. You have reCAPTCHA options so that you can have security, that nobody is using robots or bots to fill the giveaways. And you also have webhook options. If you want to, let's say, a power user and you want to use webhooks to configure certain actions through certain websites, enable the webhooks, and you can add more and more webhooks depending on what you want to achieve. And then you can connect a RafflePress with basically any service that uses or supports webhooks. So pretty powerful stuff. Going from the basics where you can configure some basic rules about giveaways to coming to webhooks and security features, RafflePress has everything you need to set up giveaways. So coming back here inside the actions options, we went through the template, we set up the giveaway, and now it's time to publish the giveaway. Let me just save the settings once. And now we'll head to the giveaway options, which is publish options. So inside the publish options, we have 3 different options to actually publish, but all 3 are very simple. I'll show you how. So the first one is RafflePress WordPress blog. The second is a shortcode, and the third is a landing page. If you want to have a dedicated page for landing, or as a just your giveaway, use this option. But if you want to promote or maximize the chances of getting visitors knowing about your giveaway, then use the block option, because blocks can be used anywhere in WordPress, on any page, a particular post, even in the sidebar, inside widget areas, headers, footers, everywhere. So this is the option I'm going to recommend you do. So once this is done, just click save. And what I'm going to do is just close this. I'm going to demonstrate how it looks like on a regular page and post. So now you can see the giveaway, and I did change some of the dates. So you can see the campaign or the giveaway is running now. It ends in 4 days. You can also end the campaign or the giveaway prematurely if you want to. If you have exceeded the number of entries you wanted, you can just hover over it and end now. Now I'm going to show you how the embedding process works first, then come here and show you how to pick winners inside or with giveaways. So let's head to the post section here, and I'll just add a new post here. And of course, this can be any page, any post on your website. It doesn't have to be a blank or, I say, blog post. And even if you have a lot of content on the page, you can just embed here. I'm just demonstrating the process here. So I'll just say giveaway, and this can be, again, anything. So AWAY. And what you have to do is use the RafflePress block in the block editor. So what I'll do is just type / and type in RAFF. And you can see RafflePress blocks shows up here. Now, once you click on it, you'll have the RafflePress logo here, and you'll have to select one of the giveaways. So if you have multiple giveaways that you are already working with, then you'll choose the one that you want to select on this particular page. So if I click this, now you'll see the embed options come up here. And if you click on this, you can just basically change the giveaway. Let's say if you selected incorrectly, let's go here and change something. And then all you have to do is publish, and done. That's it. So once the page is published, your campaign or the giveaway will start showing to users who visit this page. If I click on this post and open it up a new tab, this is where we can find the giveaway actually being embedded. So you can see here your entries, total entries, and the number of entries will keep updating as more and more people enter the giveaway, and total number of entries and personal entries will show up here. How many days are left, the campaign that we just created, and we can enter with our email. So if I click here and I just type in Yuvraj, I'll just use the dummy email here, and I'll just click enter, and now I have entered this giveaway. So what I can do is join the email newsletter, visit them on Facebook, do all these actions to maximize the chance of winning. So if I go here and I'll just click join, and now I'll be subscribed to the email list, and I can visit them on Facebook. So if I click here, it'll open up the page here of WBeginner. Now it's not signed into Facebook, so it might just prompt me to sign up or sign in to Facebook. But let me just load the page and I'll show you how it works. I think there's a bug here. So I'll just click it here, and I'll just click this button here. I liked, and this works. So you can see here now that total number of entries are being updated in real time as I do action the site. So once people have taken these actions and maximize the chances, now we have a giveaway successful. We have the recipe of a successful giveaway coming up here. So once this is done, once the campaign is live, or once number of entries you've gotten entries. So you can end the campaign based on the schedule. So if I go here, you can see if I go back here inside the RafflePress menu, I'll go to giveaways. And inside the giveaways, we have this campaign or giveaway campaign running here. And it ends in 4 days, so you can keep it running for the entire 4 days. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show it to you how the winners picking process works as well. So you can go here and click end now. I'm going to do this just for this giveaway. And once the giveaway ends, now you have to choose this option if you want to pick winners. You can click here, needs winners. So once you click on this option, you'll have this option. So you'll have to select, first of all, how many winners do you want to have. So since this giveaway just had me as the participant, I'll select one. And we can choose between unverified and only verified emails. For this option, I'll just choose unverified emails because my email was unverified. And I'll click choose winners now. And RafflePress will go to work and find the actual number of people, or just randomize based on the weightage of the number of entries. Will find this. And you can click here, you can email the winner. And based on some spam actions that you find, you can disqualify them. You can see their entries as well. So basically, you can do everything here directly without having to spend any time or manual work doing anything regarding those giveaways. That's how powerful RafflePress is. Everything that you need right inside WordPress. So that's how easy it is to set up giveaways in WordPress. And make sure to promote your giveaways as well, so more and more people know about the giveaway and enter the giveaway. And one of the easiest ways to do this is by just sending push notifications to your existing users. And if you want to know how to send push notifications from your website to your viewers and readers, just watch this video right here. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress education. You're watching Yuvraj from WBeginner, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.